inside me. It's almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me. It just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how to do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Smell of your skin, the taste of your lips, the way you whisper in the dark, your hair around me, baby, you surround me, touch every place in my heart. Only feel